It's Friday morning. I know that you've been here from me for several days. If you are following me, you already know that we have to evacuate our home due to a mold issue for 6 to 8 months, probably a year if you ask me. Uh, so the builder can go and fix the issue that we have in our house. So we moved to a temporary house, and this is where I am right now, much more smaller, and that's what actually consumed all of my time in the last 2 or 3 days. But as I promised to myself, I'm going to capture all the snippets of what happened through those 2 or 3 days and try to sum up what happened. Not too much since I was busy with other stuff, but as always, one thing that I achieved, one thing that I learned, one thing that I find out that I need to fix. That's what I'm doing each and every day for myself. I think it's very helpful. Encourage you to do the same. Just write it down. You don't have to share it via video. I'm doing it because I believe that we can use this material to create a documentary how we started Galaxy from nothing and we end up with definitely something. So that's the regular intro, and let me dive into those 2 or 3 days. So achievement, the major achievement in those 2 or 3 days weren't mine. It's more Donnie's achievement, but it's Galaxy, so we're on the same boat. We managed to, based on request from pilot group, we added a frequently asked question section where we can add from admin perspective question and answers, and user can easily search them and find what is the meaning of entities, what is the meaning of function, how I'm doing this, how I'm doing that. I think it's pretty powerful, pretty common as well, but we achieved it in the last 2 or 3 days, so that's the major achievement in those 3 days. What we learned, and we learned it the hard way, and this is a lesson for everyone that's using AWS. You can see my cat is exploring the new settings, the new house. Shedek. His name is Shedek. Anyway, so there is in AWS a service called a NAT Gateway. This is one of the, I call it one of the nastiest service that AWS has to offer, because this is not actually a service. You are paying for NAT regardless if you are using it or not. So you're paying a hourly flat fee, and this is actually increase our cost tremendously, like 3 times. So before you're using NAT Gateway, find out if you need it, find out if there's any way to work around it, because it will definitely, there will be a toll for NAT services in AWS. I don't know how it's on Azure or other platforms. And last but not least, one thing that we find out that we need to fix. So I think that we are ready to do a little bit of a roadshow and meet HR leaders, show them the tool that we created and get feedbacks. What they think about this tool, and how do they see this tool manage to create more clarity in definition of roles and accountabilities and expectation, and any general feedback on the tool, ease of use, both from searching and retrieving and commenting, and keep the data up to date, which is the secret sauce about this tool. So that's all. I hope that it was useful. I hope that it was nice to meet Sheleg. It was unplanned, and that's all. One thing to achieve, one thing that we learned, one thing that we find out that we need to fix. Today it's after 2-3 days, full working day, so hopefully tomorrow I have much more news to share. That's all, guys. Thanks. Bye.